Here we come to the elevator at 87 Commerce Park in Houston, Texas. This is a vintage square button US elevator. I have not seen this thing in several ages. This elevator still lives on. Cabin, everything are still the exact same. One. This thing's a little bit rickety. Whoa. That was weird. It like literally dropped for a second and it just started moving. So look at this. Square button. I love these buttons. I have not seen a square button US in such a long time. See what it does, like this elevator like literally sank down for a second and then started going up. And like literally dropped. This thing's a little bit quirky. I want to let you see that again. See, it just kind of jerked a little and then it started going up. All right, well, we're gonna go back down and get off there. This thing is kind of obnoxious, so we're gonna go ahead and get off this thing, and I don't want to cause any more disruption than what I already did. But other than that, this thing could use a little bit of love. All right, let's watch it close. There's the US logo right there. I think it's just gonna stay on peak up, so. Look at that old water fountain right there. Yeah, I think this elevator is gonna stay on peak up, so it's not gonna close. With that being said, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. That'll be it.